Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video I'm going to install the CGI Sentinel 238 using best practices. For best practices, you're going to want to inspect and open your casement window. I've inspected and opened my window. I'm ready to close and lock it and prepare it for dry fitting. I've checked the operation of the window. I'm now ready to dry fit it in my opening. The window has been dry fitted. I'm ready to apply the appropriate sealant to the flange or to the buck and precast sill. For best practices, apply sealant to all three. When installing a casement, you need a minimum of 2 people. One person will hold the weight of the sash from the outside. The other person will be on the inside, anchoring the frame to the substrate. Following the product approval, use the appropriate fasteners when anchoring your frame into the substrate. Use shims at every fastener location when needed. Shims should support the frame and keep it square, level, true, and plumb. Continue anchoring your frame into the substrate and periodically check the operation of the sash. The sash should open and close, as well as lock smoothly. When anchoring your sill, drill through the pre-punched holes of the mainframe into your precast sill and get all that concrete dust out. Fill the cavity with sealant. You can even run your fastener through a tube of sealant and anchor your sill down. After inspection, top off each head with sealant. The casement has been anchored and operates smoothly. I'm ready to apply the appropriate sealant to the exterior perimeter of the frame. If your window is shipped with a screen, insert it at this time. To recap, I've now installed the CGI Sentinel 238 using best practices. In the next video, I'm going to show you some of the services you can perform on this window.